Well, hello once again, everybody. Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's a step-by-step guide on how to create a Facebook post. Now, you don't have to worry about the dimensions or the sizes of the graphics that you will be creating because Canva did a very good job of preparing the exact dimension that is perfect for your Facebook posts. Now, you can do this for yourself or for your clients. A lot of freelancers in Fiverr and other similar platforms are actually earning a decent side income just by designing Facebook posts for their clients. So all you have to do is go to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create a free account. There's the paid account as well, but you can start with a free account using your email address or your Facebook account as well for easier registration. Once you register already, you can go to your home page and you can see a lot of templates on the home page here under different categories. It's easier if you navigate using the navigational menu on top. So for this tutorial, we are creating a Facebook post, and this opens up Facebook post templates that you can easily choose from. There are two options actually, the paid or the free templates. So for this tutorial, since you are using the free account, you can use anything that says free at the bottom of the template. This is paid, this is free. So let's say your client is selling shoes, for example. So you choose a template that is closest to your client's business. For example, your client is on sale, you can choose this one. This is really good. Or you can use a very simple one because you can easily insert different elements and images from your working area. Okay, so let's say, for example, you want to start with a simple template. You can click on this one and a pop-up box opens up to show you the template you have chosen. Under more like this, you can see other alternatives or other designs that you can use for your project. So let's just go ahead and use this one. Click the use this template button here and it opens up a new tab on your browser, and it automatically the template gets automatically inserted to your canvas. This is your working canvas, the one that I'm pointing at right now. So this is your tools panel on the left side of the screen. Okay, you have templates, elements, uploads, photos, and text. So you can easily choose any of these for your project. So once you below the ones you have chosen, some recommendations for you can be seen below as well. You have newsroom, sale post, food Facebook post. Since like I mentioned, for example, your client is into shoes. Okay, let's work on this together and see how we can come up with a nice Facebook post image. Click on the image here. This is the image. It's the image of a fruit. You can delete that. You can use the delete icon here on top, or you can simply click or press the delete button on your keyboard. So there you go. So let's go to photos first, in case you're looking for a nice background for your design. If you want a completely blank background, like a colored background, go to elements and you click on the square shape. So you can choose a lot of lines and elements here. So the basic one, it's for free. You can click on the square one and there you go. You can change that to any color that you like by clicking on top the color function here. So it opens the different colors on the left section of your screen. This is the tools panel, so maybe you can change that to black or red or yellow or whatever. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, let's choose black. Okay, and then if you want to change your mind, you can just use the undo button on top here, or you can press Ctrl Z on your keyboard. You can redo the entire thing by clicking the redo button on top, or you can just press on your keyboard Ctrl Shift Z, and you have to completely drag the handle here, as you can see, to fill up your entire canvas. You don't have to worry about the size that will be produced, because it's the standard dimensions needed for any Facebook page. You can right click on it and send it to the back, and there you go, send it to back. Don't forget about that. All right, it's just a pure black background there, but let's say for the sake of this tutorial you want to use a really nice free photo for the business of your client who's in shoes. So you can use the search bar there, and it brings out a lot of different free images for your project. So this is really a nice one, I think, because you can put the text here. You just click on this, gets imported to your canvas here. You can see, you can just you can see the four sides, okay, of the image. These are the handles, and you can just drag it just to increase the size of the image and decide where do you want to put the image. You can flip it here. You can see the flip button here. You can flip horizontal, or you can flip vertical, things like that, and you can just use the this one, the okay, this icon here, I forgot what it's called, but this one, you know, you can turn the image in whatever direction that you like. Okay, that you can play around with anything here. These are the options here. You can adjust the color, the filter, you can put some effects, you can crop the image, but this one, just to give it a real nice effect, you can just turn it around. Okay, if you want to get a better view of your canvas here, you can use the slider here below to zoom in and zoom out on your project, the one that you're working on, to give you a better view. You can also use the commands on your keyboard, Control plus and minus. There you go, to easily zoom in and zoom out on your canvas. Okay, so I think that's really nice. That's a nice position. I think this is the rotational icon. Alright, so you can just put it like that, or put it like this. Just use your imagination, okay? So there you go. Let's undo that one and click done. You have to send it back. Right click on that image and send it back. And then there's this black background here, right? So what I want to do is to create an overlay effect. So how can you do that? So you can see the image at the back of this background color. You click on the transparency setting on top here, and you can just set it to whatever transparency settings you want to use. There you go. See? And you can also set the transparency settings of this background here by going to the transparency settings again, and you can just, you know, adjust the transparency settings there. So it looks good, right? And what's left is your content. You can just put here on sale, or let's say, for example, Friday sale. It's too big, right? So you can just you know, change the font size here on top. You can choose a font. All right, you can just stick with it. You can use this one instead. You can use this one. It's up to you. But for this tutorial, let's use something really bold. Let's try this one. Okay, I like Anton better, I think. There. So I think that looks not nicer, and you can increase or decrease the font size. But this is the sale it has to be emphasized on. You can drag this entire group. If you see the purple lines there, you know that it's on the center of the canvas. See? But if you want to, just put it on the center, and maybe you can just put it here or like that. You just have to see the effect, whatever it is that you want. But this one looks great, so you can change the font to black by clicking on the color options here. There, the Friday sale, and you can put your website here. For example, Friday sale.com, and any other details that you want to put. Change the name of you can change the content here, limited offer only. And there you go. You can also change this font to black just to match everything up. Click on the black color there. Click on the black color there. You can make it bold by clicking the bold button there. There you go. And it looks nice. It's really simple. Okay. And just in case you want to add more elements, another option you can go is on your tools section. You can click on elements here on the left, and maybe you can you can find some of the you can just scroll down and find some really nice looking elements here. You can use some frames, charts, and grid lines. You can use this one as well. I think this looks good for graphics. And there you go. You can color this one, for example, gray or something closest to it. Yeah, you can use that as well. Increase the size of the let's remove this straight line here. Okay, so there you go. You can set the transparency settings here as well. There. Alright, just give it a little more design on the image, just to make it your own. Okay, a little, alright, a grungy feel. Alright, so you can just put it right there. See? And you can put your logo in here, so you can just look for, maybe, for example, this is a logo of the shoes, a sample logo. For example, this is your a logo. This is a pro account. Let's look. This is free. For example, this is your logo. You click on that, and you can just put it right there. You can just drag the handle there on both sides. You can just put your logo here. Alright. And then you can also upload it using the upload. Click on the upload button on the left side of your tools panel, and you can just click on upload media and go to your click on device, and that opens up your different locations on your computer. And for example, find the image that you want to upload, and that's it. It gets automatically uploaded to your account, just like the ones I did here. The logo of the cat, the dog, and this thing here. Okay, so this is really, I think it looks good. In case you want to undo what you just did, just like I mentioned a while back, you can just go here, undo, or you can just redo everything. If you want to create an animated version of this image, all you need to do is click on animate. Alright, so you can publish this to Facebook, or you can download it as a file. Suggested file is PNG. If you want a smaller size, you can click on JPEG, but this is recommended, so just click on the download button there, and it gets downloaded to your computer. So that opens up. If you go to your downloads folder where you can see the image that you created, this is the one. See here? Okay. I did change the title. You can just change the title here. So you can just hover it and you will see the dimension is 940 by 788. That's actually a Facebook post standard image. Okay, and you can upload that to your client's Facebook account right away. By the way, on top you can change the title of your project for easier referencing. For example, you can change this to Friday. No, make that shoes project, and it automatically gets sorry about that. So it gets automatically saved to your designs folder within your Canva account. Well, that's about it for this tutorial on how to create your Facebook post using Canva.com.
Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.